Para business leaders dan intellectual business community, kita jumpa lagi dalam acara The CEO Reference. Dan edisi ini adalah edisi spesial, karena sesungguhnya setting dari edisi ini adalah sebuah seminar di mana saya memimpin diskusi dengan pembicara tamu Geshe Michael Roach. Tapi karena satu sebab saya berhalangan untuk hadir, maka saya melakukan review ini secara digital. Seminar ini berjudul The Values That Lead to Success. Apa nilai-nilai yang membawa kita kepada satu kesuksesan, dan akan membawa narasumber Geshe Michael Roach. Beliau adalah seorang yang unik karena sesungguhnya beliau adalah seorang Tibetan monk yang berhasil di dalam dunia bisnis. Dan kita melakukan satu seminar untuk menggalang dana untuk Rachel House. Rachel House adalah suatu yayasan yang membantu anak-anak Indonesia dalam menghadapi masa-masa akhir dari penyakit kankernya atau stadium terminal dari kankernya, supaya anak-anak tersebut bisa melalui masa-masa akhir hidupnya dengan berkualitas dan bisa lebih berbahagia dan tidak menyusahkan keluarganya. Dari Rachel House yang dipimpin oleh Lina Chandra akan membawakan perkenalan kepada Geshe Michael.
And thank you everyone for being here today, and of course thank you IBC and Dr. Bayu and Philbert for helping out in this, and for donating and contributing this event, the profit from this event, to Rachel House. We're so pleased to be able to introduce Geshe Michael here today. Geshe Michael has, the book, The Diamond Cutter, has meant so much for Rachel House. In the last year that we've been practicing the Diamond Cutter principles for Rachel House, we've received more blessings in our lives, personal lives, and our team's harmony, more than anything we could have ever imagined, which is why we were so excited when Geshe Michael decided that he could spare one day in Jakarta, and this is all he could spare throughout the year. If you see some of the schedule that he's had, or he's planning for the rest of the year, you will understand why it's only one day. Just before I hand over the mic to Geshe Michael, thank you.
Demikian para business leaders dan intellectual business community, Geshe Michael Roach mempunyai satu background yang unik, karena beliau sesungguhnya lulusan dari Princeton University, kemudian belajar ke Tibet selama 20 tahun, dan beliau adalah orang Amerika pertama di dunia yang mendapat gelar Geshe, yang lulus dari pendidikan selama 20 tahun di Tibet. Kita ikuti bagaimana Geshe memperkenalkan dirinya.
So, I studied at Princeton University, and I was very successful. I went to White House. The president gave me some special award, and I was very happy. Then I got a telephone call, your mother passed away. Then I felt like, success didn't mean so much. Then I got a second phone call, your father passed away, same year. Then your brother, same year. Then I went a little bit crazy, and I asked the school, can I go to, what do you call it? Like a break for 1 year. So I went to India, and then I met some teacher there, and I started to study in the Tibetan monastery. Then I stayed 20 years there and finished the course. The course there is called Geshe, and it takes 20 years. Then I was first American to finish that. Then after about 10 years, my teacher told me, okay, we're going to have special examination for you. Then I said, I'm used to examination. You have these very tough examinations. They yell at you questions. Maybe 100 monks, or final examination is 1,000 monks. Just asking you a question, and for 3 weeks. And he said, no, you have special examination. I said, what is the examination? He said, I want you to go to New York, and I want you to start business in New York. Then I said, that's crazy. You know, I'm a monk. I'm not a businessman. I don't know anything about business. He said, yes, but we taught you principles of how things work. And I want to use New York City as a laboratory. New York City will be experiment for you. And I want you to start a business. And we will give the money to poor people or to things like Rachel House. So he said, I want you to make $1 million in 1 year. This is your examination.
Bagaimana para business leaders dan intellectual business community? Menarik bukan background dari Geshe Michael Roach? Di segmen berikutnya kita akan membahas lebih jauh bagaimana atau apa prinsip-prinsip yang diyakini oleh Michael Roach dan dipraktekkan oleh Geshe Michael Roach yang dipercaya bisa membawa kepada kesuksesan. Kita break untuk segmen berikutnya.